Hey, let's talk about the Alarm.com V729 Floodlight, your new home security upgrade that's not only smart, but easy to set up. Do you want to know one of the best things about this floodlight? The installation is super straightforward. Whether you're swapping out an old floodlight or starting fresh, just a few simple steps. Connect the wires, mount the floodlight, and you're pretty much good to go. No need to be a pro to get it installed. And once it's set up, the V729 gives you powerful protection. The 2000 lumen light brightens up your yard, while the HD camera captures clear 1080p video day or night. Setting it up in the Alarm.com app is just as easy. In minutes, you'll be receiving notifications when motion is detected, and you can even chat with visitors using the two-way audio feature, no matter where you are. So if you want smarter technology and an easy install, the Alarm.com V729 Floodlight is your perfect solution. Simple, smart, and ready to go. Learn more at Alarm.com. Also, stay tuned to this Livewire YouTube channel for unboxing videos, reviews, and insights on smart home technologies.